am Saint Germain. We are always looking to help balance you on the earth. You are balancing all your natures in your death and rebirth. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Drawing the breath into the body deeply, deeply. Drawing the breath into the body deeply, deeply. I am Saint Germain. Cellular level is changing. Be patient with your changes. Be patient with the death and rebirth. You will feel, as you open, more than ever before. And the feelings sometimes may be feelings that you do not care for and that you judge. Welcome them, breathe them in, and bless every feeling that arises, just as you bless the water. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Now, bring the violet flame into your body. Often I ask you to bring the violet flame in the body, starting in the belly area, in the solar plexus area, toning it up into the heart, the throat, and the third eye. You have opened that. Tonight I would like you to open the violet flame in your wrists. Turn the hands palm up and imagine the violet flame dancing in your right and left palm. You'll begin to feel the energy as I connect with you. I am Saint Germain. Holding those palms up, I want you to imagine flames bursting out of the wrists now, in the belly, solar plexus, heart, through the throat, into the third eye, and out the top of the head, with flames dancing in your palms and coming out through your wrists. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Tone 9 times together. I am Saint Germain. Bring the left palm to the heart. Om. 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 Bring the right palm to the belly. And breathing into the body, mentally repeat, Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain. And in your own words, ask me for what you most need now in this circle under the vibration of the moon. Ask me for the support that you need, what you most need.